Hi teacher, good afternoon. This is my presentation about the parts of the speech. My name is Sergio Pacheco Pescador and today is Friday, September 19 of 2025. The principal topic are verbs. We're gonna see the verbs in future, past, and present. Here we have the 8 parts of the speech. First, we have the noun, a word that names person, place, thing, or ideas. Then we have the pronoun, a word used to instead of a noun to avoid the repetition. For example, he, she, and it. A verb is a word that shows an state or an action. Adjective, a word that describes or modifies the noun or pronoun. Adverb, a word that describes modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. The preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and other words in a sentence. Conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Intersection, a word or phrase that expresses strong emotions or feelings. Here we have the different types of verbs. We have present, past, future, and I add some substitutes. Present tense. Express reality, how is it now? Present simple. Uses for routines, general truths, and also in a narrative style. Present continuous. Action in process for a temporal situation, but also for future arrangement. Past tense. Express complete events or background content. Past simple. Finishes events, offer tied to specific time, but also uses in counterfactual. Past continuous. Ongoing past actions, but also in way to show atmosphere or interrupted background. Future tense. Express what lies ahead, but English doesn't have a single future form. Various structures imply different shapes of meaning. Future simple is will, predictions, promise, instant decisions. Future continuous. Action in process at a particular future time. Offer uses for politeness or softering questions. Here we have some substyles about verbs. We have action verb that is dynamic activities such as run, build, or write. Then we have state verbs, mental emotion states. Use it in continuous like believe, know, belong. Auxiliary verbs, functional book sentence or voices. Be, have, do, will. Then we have the modal verbs. Add a possibility or necessary. Here we have 10 examples about the part of the speech selected. The bold letters are the part of the speech words. She writes in his journal every night. Here, the word write, the writes is the part of the speech. They built a treehouse last summer. Here, build is the part of the speech. I am studying for my sociology exam right now. I am studying is the word. We will travel to Japan next year. We will are the words of the part of the speech. She was running when he twisted his ankle. Here, was running is the word of the part of the speech. The baby cries whenever she is hungry. Cries is the word of the part of the speech. I have finished my project already. Finished is the word of part of speech. They were watching TV when the lights went out. Were watching are the words of the part of the speech. I will be working late tomorrow. Will be working are the words of the part of the speech. She sings beautifully in the church. She sings she sings is a word of part of the speech. Why verb is important? The verb is important because it is central to the structure and meaning of a sentence. It determines which other parts of the sentence are necessary and places the entire message in time past, present, or future. The verb also indicates whether an action is complete, in process, possible, or necessary. In this way, To connects grammar to meaning and makes the sentence complete and clear. Thanks for watching.